Welcome back to Westbridge Hills. Harvester is getting almost done. I hope this is his last row. Here comes a car. We're going to pull right out in front of it. And the cultivator is doing pretty well itself. And let me jump over there real quick, because okay, 9 miles an hour. Yeah, I forgot how fast this thing was going. Usually goes. Anyway, you can stay there for a second. Harvester is almost here. Okay, JK. Here we are. Because I didn't see how full the combine was, so I don't know how full this trailer is going to be. Is there any... Well, if there's any more in the harvester, then we can just take that over to the silo. We have, I think, barley. Let's check the job board real quick. Barley for train station. Okay. Well, we'll see you at the train station. And just arriving. Oh, okay, we got 40% of this mission delivered already. So... Oh, I don't have to do that. Yeah, I'll just hit X. Anyway... $8,985. Alright, we have... Ooh, run over the clothing. But we also have... Oh, jeez, really? 78 liters. Oi. Okay. Well, let's get our one big bed percent into the silo here. And then I believe it's a canola field that's ready to harvest over on field 10. Oh, I can't do that. It's not gonna... It's not gonna let me do that. Oh boy. Okay, well, let's go to our trailer. And we're just running over everything today. Good night. Alright, we'll send a worker off on this field. Did I line it up? Ooh, okay, cool. That was a total blind shot right there. Okay, okay, let's see. I'll come back to you when I figure out what the hell I want to plant. I mean, we could probably throw something like wheat in there, or oats, or whatever, but and you couldn't have done that from the combine. Good night. Well, when I get back to field 10 here, I'm going to excuse myself because I was wanting to see about getting a larger tractor. Hopefully replacing one of the tractors that I do have here. And also maybe look at the pricing on a seeder. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, oh, you're still going down the first line? Good night. Okay. Let's see, 25% per line. You're going to do 4 lines by the time you're done. If that. Are you still going, or are you telling me you stopped? Oh, you're still going. All right. Let's see. How full did you get? Well, since I also want to upgrade the harvester too, but oh, bear with me a second, I forgot. Wrong button. Ooh, is there anything in sales? Well, that is. But I have no sunflowers or corn, so that's no good. I already got a mower set up, unless this can attach something on the back, which I highly doubt. Okay, I got this one. 4,200 capacity, only 185 horsepower. Think about, ooh. Okay. Alright, I see you. Yep, we already have that. Well, I can upgrade the Harvester Plus header. Hopefully it runs this one. Or I can get the new tractor and seeder. How far? Oh, cultivating's got that much to do. Because when the cultivating is done, I have to go and take this tractor and go start doing some mowing, unless I at least go buy a tractor now that's big enough to haul that new seeder when I turn to buy it. You know what? That doesn't sound like a bad idea. This one. It's 190 horses. It only needs 180 for the seeder. And whoops. I did not mean to buy two. I just wanted one. Anyway, let's get out of here. That was a major financial mishap. Okay, let's get this over to the mowers. I think I left them over at the cow shed. They're not here. Where did they go? Let me go check the BGA. No, they're not here either. Hold on a second. Oh, they're over at... Okay. Off to the sheep pen. Here they are. Looks like I don't have to worry about the sheep food for a while. And the wool's getting stacked up nicely. Alright. I always get 5 and 6 confused field numbers, so I think it's field 6 that has that's our grass field, so we'll head over there and we'll start mowing that field up. Alright, before I do this, okay, never mind. Alright. We got apparently what would be a full wagon number wise, but of course visual never seems to look that way. Also had to go into the harvester real quick, so went and did that. Hope now it's back on its own way there. What's the quickest way to the BGA? Probably this road here. But that's our destination, and I shall see you there. And we're just gonna dump the grass. We're not gonna worry about compacting it until we get the mowing completely done. Alright, let's get back over to that field and get it finished up. Alright, we're back in the field, and whoops. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get another trailer full or not. But the harvest is getting on very well. In fact, I might actually have to go back and check on the harvester. So let's do that real quick. Still going. Okay. Alright, turn on mower, change tool, turn on forage wagon. Switch that back to the mower so I can lift it up. And like I said, I don't know why I'm not cutting the verge. I guess right now I'm in one of those moods is just get it done and get it to where it's gotta go kind of thing. Because rightly, I don't think we got that much of this field left to go anyhow, so. Not if these strips of mowed grass from a previous mowing is any indication. And you're not picking any of that up. Oh boy, but these numbers are gonna fly when I do get it picked up. And I didn't even check to see how full the bunker silo is either. Ooh, don't ask me how I managed to do that without hitting the fence. Where's the end of the field here? Oh well, I can do another squiggly line. I can probably do another pass or two to besides I'm thinking I'm actually out of the field now, so unless that's the boundary. I'm not even in a straight line anymore. Okay, let's get off to our other grass field, number 20. Alright, well, this isn't exactly in the field there, but we're gonna leave it here and we'll do this mowing in the next episode. We'll finish up the other jobs in the following in the next episode as well. Get the fertilization. I really need to start fertilizing again. So with all that said, y'all take care of yourself. I'm out. Peace.